What's up, guys? Another episode of Anything But ASIC is August 21st, 2020, and we're back up and rolling. Um, the A320 board for the Ryzen 3900, and it wasn't quite cutting it, so I got this nice steel legend here that comes with two M.2 slots, two four PCIe slots, and four slots for RAM, which I didn't actually need, because this is just a mining rig. But it's definitely dominating. Still having some problems here. You know, um, I'm not getting the fabled 1300 hash out of it. There seems to be some fluctuations. I'm not sure if it's just too hot. It's just getting too hot, considering where I have it. Probably so. But this is using 23 cores. It seems to bump up against 11,000 hashes. Then, some would fade back down to 9,700. But that's okay. I'll figure it out eventually. Whatever's going on with that. Maybe I'll stuff it in the rig somewhere with some extra cooling. But right now, I'm gonna look at the markets. What's going on there? So I'll get a quick refresh on there. We're at 38.1 million, 381 million, 563. Refresh 381, 971, and we're going up. I don't know if anybody's noticed that there's actually coins missing from CoinGecko listed. In the bear market, we had at least 7,000 plus coins, and I guess they just liquidated into other coins. And even though DeFi projects are coming out left and right, it's just weird that all of a sudden there's no projects. Bitcoin, of course, it's up. Notable projects that I seen go up or down. Chainlink took a retracement, of course. It's pretty good for it. It shouldn't just go straight up all the time. Litecoin is showing some promise. Finally getting out of that $40-$50 range. I was about to call it stablecoin. It was at 180 days and still running between $40 and $50, which would have been cool. Monero has jumped significantly, and I don't know, it's just because people have seen the promise of privacy coins, the importance of it. But yeah, it's doing very, very good right now. I didn't expect to see that. I didn't expect to see it outrun Dash. They got the same coin count just about, although Monero technically has an infinite emission. Yeah, I didn't expect to see it outrun Dash. But here it comes. So Zcash took a pullback. It was a pullback, but Easy Go. And I haven't looked into what Easy Go has been doing as of lately. They've been kind of quiet, just like List. But there seems to be some activity brewing on Easy Go, and being part of the Ethereum network, it most likely has to do with some DeFi things. Yep, and those are some of the top 100 notable coins that I've seen, move around. I'm hoping Digibyte comes back at some point, because Hashaltcoin, moving the subject, has got a new miner. Oh yes, there it is. The Black Miner F2 Square. It's starting to look like the Baikal cubes, if you guys remember that. And I always thought those things were so awesome. And if there's anything like the Baikal cube, it'll have a lifespan of 4 years to come. The Baikals just never die. And they mine everything. Well, they mine multiple things, but yeah, they typically mine everything. They usually start off as kind of, coins you wouldn't want, undesirable coins, and then those coins pump, and then you've been running your Baikal for 2 years, and all of a sudden you got this huge profit off of 30 watts of power. But yeah, I see that happening for it. So far, what I understand, this is the same algos as the F1 Plus and everything. You know, yeah, contains four Xilinx FPGA chips. Probably some ultra scales. Most likely some ultra scales. Same algos as the F1 Plus. So if you want to mine some more Handshake, you want to mine some more Veriblock, Verse, or just maybe some AutoCrypt and Digibyte. This is your new miner. Four chips, man. Four chips on a cube. All about the cube. It'd be cool if somebody modded this and put this actually in the GameCube case. It'd be funny. Talking about cubes. So, this updates on the 3900 and stripped down the 3600 and taking it home with me. Going to mine at home with this. Hopefully I can get the GPU up and running. It's a 580. Maybe get some cuts on the Ethereum before it goes up any further. Well, I hope it goes up further. Somebody out there, a prominent YouTuber, crypto YouTuber, said that Ethereum it's tried the 2.0 thing, the proof of stake thing. They're most likely not going to do it this year. It's probably not going to happen. They've been trying for so long. You just kind of lose hope at this point. Eventually they'll get it, but there's so many other projects, as I mentioned, Lisk, EOS, they're already on proof of stake. It's like, I get it, network congestion, all that good stuff. But, maybe we just need more GPU miners. Maybe go borrow some Tesla infrastructure with their hyper mining cards they just got. Use that to push through Ethereum's network. Let's see. This 3200. I might turn that into a gaming rig. It doesn't need a GPU, so maybe. But that's the update. That's what's done. Things are looking up. Looks like we might splash into a bull market after this pullback. Not financial advice, so I always have to put that disclaimer there. But yeah, we're having fun here. We're having fun mining at home, mining at in the office, and anybody has any tips out there on how I can get this 3900, which I think is just getting hot. I can get to the Fable 13,000 hash, 14,000 hash. Just let me know. And I'll see you guys later.